Hello everyone, this is AMATROL's T7100. This is a residential HVAC-R setup. This trainer has the ability to allow a student to be able to diagnose any problem that they may come across in the field. This system is an all-in-one system. It allows the students and the instructor to be able to have a compact unit, be able to move that wherever they need to throughout the classroom, and provides a system where you can have multiple students working on one system at one time. This system is set up to allow the student to be able to work from one area instead of having to go down and actually physically open up and touch the system. This allows for durability and longevity of the trainer. This also allows for safety with the students because you have your electrical components and things that could be a hazard. So the student is actually working right up from here to help learn or diagnose and learn from the trainer. So this trainer also incorporates a program called FaultPro. And FaultPro is used to insert a fault into the system. Now the faults can range from a blockage of the system. The faults could range from a simple thermostat issue for a low voltage wire not connected properly. It can also diagnose a capacitor, fan blower. It can diagnose compressor, the condenser fan. It can do a main power and the disconnect box, the main power that you might find downstairs in the basement, and your disconnect box that you would find outside next to the condenser. You also have, you can diagnose your furnace fan for issues. You can diagnose your heat strips back there, because this is a heat pump. You can also diagnose your evaporator coil. Also in the system, you also have your drainage for the evaporator coil. You also have an overflow switch and a pump over there. So just for an example, I'm going to go ahead and insert a fault, and then I'm going to act as a student and show you how you can easily diagnose the fault using this trainer. So this instructor would come up to FaultPro. They would have a list already incorporated into the curriculum, and that's another big thing about this trainer. The curriculum is incorporated with the trainer, so again, it's an all-in-one package. The instructor does not have to necessarily come up on their own with curriculum. They can go right to our AMATROL curriculum, see what they need to do, and incorporate it with the trainer. So we are going to use the number 25. So I'm going to put in a fault, and this is called number 22. But what this fault was, this fault simulated a break or a low voltage connection between the thermostat, the green, or the blower into the fan. So it's demonstrating that it's a break and a disconnect somehow between green on the thermostat and the blower on the furnace. So if the student has gone through their troubleshooting steps and maybe they've already identified, oh, I know what the problem could be, they can take their multimeter and using the grid, the diagnostic panel that's already here, they can come up and they can look at common, and they can go to G, and they can see that they have 0 volts on the meter, showing that, oh, yep, there's a break in the connection between G and the fan. So I'm not getting power or low voltage or 24 volts from my green to my furnace blower motor. So once they've diagnosed that, they presented that to the instructor, or however the instructor is conducting the class, the instructor can easily go, okay, well, Jim, Bob, you're correct. They can come back over here and clear the fault. And then as soon as that fault is cleared, they'll come over and the fan, that'll reinsert the 24 volts back on there, and the fan motor starts. Now, what's nice about this, as I mentioned, that it allows for longevity of the equipment, because you'll have students that will be working on this equipment multiple times throughout the day, multiple students throughout the year, or years of the equipment. So it saves on wear and tear of the equipment. So I do know that getting hands-on and being able to get inside and touch the equipment is a wonderful thing, and they will have plenty of experience when they get out in the field. But this gives them the opportunity to, in real time, with the plexiglass, see the fault actively work and not have to worry about taking off panels, reinserting panels, taking off the condenser cover, reinserting the condenser cover. It shows them in real time exactly what's happening.